Meanwhile, the U.S. stock market is off to its worst start to open a year in more than a century. In just 4 days, the Dow has plunged 5%, the Nasdaq more than 6%. Even the S&P 500 has shed 4.9%. Financial experts say long-term investors should not worry, at least not yet, but there are a few things that could cause them to change their mind. From the opening bell, another bad day for Wall Street. The Dow tumbled nearly 400 points. But financial advisors say investors don't need to worry.
No, we always take a long-term approach on this. Market corrections are a normal part of the economy.
Sarah Schwartz points to numbers which show over the last 115 years, on average, the Dow loses 5% about 3 times a year, though it usually takes 46 days, not 4, between high and low points. The last time was in August.
I just have confidence that over time, we are resilient and the economy will turn around, and there's a lot of positive things going on.
Purdue finance professor Hussein Gulen agrees that the fundamentals of the U.S. economy remain strong, demonstrated by metrics like the housing market, car sales, and job creation. He believes the drop has been caused by international factors, uncertainty with oil prices, turmoil in the Middle East, and China. After the currency was devalued by the Chinese government, the stock market there crashed again Thursday morning, forcing a suspension of trading for the day. Gulen believes American investors aren't sure how to read the currency changes.
Is it because the bigger than thought problems with the Chinese economy? If so, it is a bigger problem.
But if not, Gulen says now could be a good time to buy, not sell. By studying corporate moves and profits,
it doesn't justify this significant drop. I would say, if anything, this might create a buying opportunity for long-run investors.
Something Schwartz agrees with and has seen some of her clients do already. She says now is a good time to look at your portfolio and make sure you're well balanced for your individual needs. That way, when the market has a 5% correction, even over a 4-day period, when you hear this sound, it doesn't make you start to sweat. What do you think tomorrow will bring?
Who knows? No one knows.
Hussein Gulen says there are 2 signs that could change his tune about the nature of this correction. The first, we already mentioned, if it appears like there is a fundamental problem with the Chinese economy. The second is if American companies start announcing corporate profits that are far below expectations, many which will be announced in coming days.